If you even clicked on this video, you have like a 9 out of 10 chance that you're gonna hit 10K a month, probably this year. If not this year, next year. I did it at the age of 20 in less than 2 years. 10K a month consistently every single month. My channel is so new. The fact it's so brand new and niche means you've already tapped into business videos and you're locked in. So it's only a matter of time before you get to the 10K. I actually captured my whole entire day yesterday. I want you to watch this video and see what it actually feels like spending the day as a 10K a month high ticket sales rep. Watch the full video, subscribe to me. Also, make sure to actually press like on the video. Enjoy the day in the life, get to it. Yo, so we literally just woke up. It's actually a bit of a late one this morning. We were up late last night until about 2 a.m. But I was working. I wasn't doom scrolling. I wasn't scrolling social media. I was on calls until 12 a.m. And then I was doing admin work up until about 1:30 p.m. And then I got to bed. It probably took me about 30 minutes to get to sleep. So we are starting a little bit late today, but we're fucking getting after it. Update for anybody that hasn't seen any new content. Like, this is the new setup. It's definitely looking much more professional than beforehand. What I used to do was have my desk there, and then you could literally see, like, and my bed was there, so you could literally see my bed in the frame. That's my girlfriend's teddy bear as well. But yeah, we're about to hit some sunlight viewing in the morning. We're about to get our eyes open, grab a shower. Yes. Fuck yeah. Look at that sun. Blacked out range. But then my neighbors have an even nicer one. So that just makes me feel poor. They have like the crazy sport and it's like red inside. If you guys are watching this, again, respect. One day I'll have one like you guys. Literally about to jump in the shower and get ready for the day, but I said, like, this is a fucking physique update as well. I'm looking insane. So I've probably never been in this shape in my life. Yeah, crazy. Like, look at my arm there. It's fucking insane. Yeah, so I hired a fitness trainer recently. He's actually my best friend. I've stayed in Romania with him. I've stayed in Spain with him. Where else? Don't know. We've probably gone to some other places. But he has me in the best shape of my life. And I'm not even hungry. I'm not like crazy cutting or anything like that. But yeah, that's a little physique update. I'm looking insane. I'm about to jump in the shower and then we're going to get some work in. I'll probably time lapse the work. All right, we're dressed now, ready for the day. I'm probably going to get rinsed at some point in the near future for always wearing this tracksuit, but it's a fresh tracksuit. And I also it's calm vibes when I'm on calls. It's kind of disarming. Like, I'm just wearing a tracksuit. I'm not trying to take your money, like, for sales calls, but yeah, time to fill my system up with coffee. Specifically caffeine, because I don't really give a shit where the caffeine comes from. Just happens to be coffee today. And then we're going to get straight to work. So let's get to it. Look at that beautiful. I also have 2 sweeteners as well. So there wasn't actually any insane work that got done here. I was really just opening my laptop, checking the messages from the team from the night before and the morning of, making sure that all of my calls were confirmed, that my time today was going to be of use. And yeah, honestly, just responding to my family as well and sending out a couple of gratitude texts. So yeah, that's me working. All right, now it's time to make some food. We have chicken and rice, locked in on a diet. Chicken and rice going down. And then I'm watching some Kurt Udale. Kurt, if you're seeing this, keep fucking pushing YouTube. This sales content is sick. But yeah, so we're gonna eat this, get this down, then I'm gonna go on a walk. Food has been killed. We're now going for a short 10-minute walk. We have our first call of the day. It's a success call. So they bought a product for $1,000. Then I'm gonna try upsell them for maybe another 1,000, maybe another 6,000, maybe another 2,000. Whatever it is they really have available. I'll probably video some of the calls so you guys get to see an actual real life sales call. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully she has some money. Let's go. Another coffee going down. We've also got a fake Red Bull, a Kong Strong, going in. Further loading myself up with caffeine. Usually I actually wouldn't drink it this late, but again, I kind of got up a little bit late. Yeah, I usually have maybe 2 cups of coffee, 1 Red Bull or a Monster, 3 doses of caffeine. But yeah, 10K a month, like I hit it and I'm doing it consistently now. Sometimes it'll drop to 8K, sometimes even in December it was 12K, for example, go up and down. But low key, I feel like I have less money than ever. Even though I have more money than ever, there's more in my bank than ever. I'm seeing more coming in every month. Like, it just made me realize how many levels there is to the game once I got to 10K a month. At the beginning, like, I thought 10K was the final level. Like, if I was making 10K a month online, like, I'm chilling. You know, I can, you know, I'm going to retire my mom on 10K a month. I'm going to be able to travel however I want to travel. It's actually not the case. Yeah, I'm focused on continuing to build my brand. Yeah, probably will take on more management roles. The fella I'm working for, Devonte, has like been super nice with that, super nice with hooking me up with opportunity as well. But I'll also do some coaching in the future too, because again, there's money in it, and it also will just help my skills. It will help me progress as a sales rep when I'm teaching somebody. But yeah, like, we're definitely going for a big push now. We're definitely trying to up the income, taking shit serious. And yeah, let's lock in for this call. I'm going to set up my phone. I'm not going to record the whole meeting, but you'll see some clips of it, and hopefully we close the deal. Let's go. Hey, Yamile. What's up?
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes. Give me 1 second.
That's all right.
Okay.
I'm actually going to quickly plug in my earphones. You can probably hear me okay, but yeah, I'll plug them in. You'll probably be able to hear me better.
Okay.
Yeah. Whereabouts are you? Is it the States? I think you're in Central
Dallas,
Time Zone, right?
Texas.
Okay, Dallas. Yeah, I've never been. I heard they do everything big in Texas, though. That's all I heard about Texas.
It's pretty chill.
It's chill in
It's
Texas.
fun. It's
Exotic. Okay. Yeah, I see. To be honest, I've only ever been to Miami. That's the only spot I've been in the States, and yeah, Miami's crazy. Have you been? Yeah, it's honestly crazy down there. So we did end up collecting some cash. We closed that deal, but found out pretty quickly that she didn't have a huge amount of money to play with. So it was more of a downsell. It was $400. It's not a huge amount of money, but I only talked to her for like 20-30 minutes, and it's $40 for me. So yeah, obviously I wish that it was a 6K deal. I wish that it was a 2.5K, 4K deal, whatever it could have been. But that's sometimes how it goes. That's all the money she had. So we upgraded her to a bit of a higher package. Yeah, good call anyways. Good start to the morning. Feeling good. I'm going to go get some more steps in. I had another call, but he just no-showed at 2 p.m. So it's now 2:18 p.m. We have another call scheduled for 3 p.m. I haven't seen any reply from him, but hopefully he shows up. Hopefully he has some money and we can make another sale. Actually, before we walk, we're going to get a protein shake in real quick. I'm not overly hungry right now, but I'm getting it in so I can digest it before the gym, because if the guy at 3 p.m. doesn't show up, we're going to go to the gym. And we have a team call at 4 p.m., but I can take that team call on the Stairmaster, because I'm honestly even more focused on the Stairmaster than sitting on the desk, because at the desk I get so bored like on team calls, but when I'm on the Stairmaster I'm just moving and I need to focus on something else. So having a call there is like super good, and I actually learn more. So yeah, we're going to hit a workout. We have back today, I believe, or it could be core and cardio. I can't remember exactly what the workout's going to be, but yeah, we're going to get this protein shake in. Shake is going down. Usually it's actually a bit pink. Usually I have some strawberries in the shake. Yeah, we ran out of strawberries, so I'm going to use them calories, probably like 30-40 calories later, for maybe an extra little bit of chocolate. When you're losing weight, like every calorie is so important so you don't get hungry. But yeah, now we're getting another walk in. 10K steps is no joke. Like, you need minimum an hour of walking, just straight walking every day. But I usually get it during no shows, in between calls, so it's not like it's time coming out of my day. It would be dead time anyways. I'd probably just be sitting in reading or going through social media. So I don't mind walking this much. It also helps me clear my head and get me ready for the next call. So next call is in about 15 minutes. Let's see how that goes. If he shows up, let's make a sale. If not, we're going to the gym. 10K a month, it doesn't feel like a lot when you actually hit it. And I'm coming to terms with it. I'm just coming to terms that sales, I could probably get to 20-30K a month, but I am going to need to step into a different vehicle at some point. Because if I'm putting this work into a different business that's making me more, like, that's ideal. All right, looks like this guy's no showing. This is just my Fireflies note taker. This isn't him. So I just took 2 minutes to make a tweet. POV, trying to get rich this summer. This is also always a part of my day. I'm tweeting every single day now. And I'm also getting a TikTok out every day. So yeah, I just tweeted this quickly. I'm gonna post and ghost though. But I'm actually recently using an app called Opal. It blocks all of the apps during your work time. So I just took a quick break, made the tweet, and now it's back on break. So I can't actually access the app. But yeah, we're gonna hit the gym now. So today is mad sunny. Like, it literally doesn't even feel like Ireland right now. I'm trying not to kill myself driving on the way to the gym, recording this at the same time. But yeah, about to go to the gym. I'm low-key sweating on the way here, on the way in the car. But yeah, it's just core and cardio today. I actually cut my leg. I'm not going to be able to show it right now on camera. I cut my leg last time on the treadmill. I slipped off it and I got road rash on my leg and it was bleeding. But I need to do the same HIIT cardio today. It's like sprinting on the treadmill. So hopefully I don't kill myself. But yeah, about to get it in. I'll get some clips in the gym, but it's just going to be a calm head down session. I have a team call as well in about 30 minutes, which again, I'm going to take on the Stairmaster. So yeah, I'll get a couple of clips in the gym, but not going to be any crazy talking. And then we're going to get back to it later today. Let's go. Not a huge amount of recording done in the gym, but this is me doing 30 minutes of Stairmaster. I've been doing that every single day and I've been so lean because of it. Finished up in the gym, we're driving home now. Still super sunny and I'm sweating. I had 30 minutes of Stairmaster. I had 5 minutes of sprints as well at the gym. Got it all done. We're gonna go home now. We have a tie down, which means somebody put a deposit down yesterday. Now we're having our second call where I collect all of the cash, so let's see how that goes. He was very, very hesitant, so it's 50-50, could go either way. I'm going to do everything I can to get him over the line, but maybe he's not a fit. I'm not going to be distraught if he doesn't join. But yeah, so I'll update you guys when we are home. Okay, so we closed the deal, $1,350. He put down $250 yesterday, so it's a $1,600 deal altogether. But that puts us on about 175 for today. Again, nothing crazy. I actually don't have any more calls for today, but tomorrow is packed up. So we're going to get a shower now because, again, we're back from the gym. We were sweating on the Stairmaster. Then I'm going to post some content. I'm going to edit this YouTube video. I might record another YouTube video. We'll see. I also need to read and meditate. We're going to get that done. And then a close friend actually graduated from college recently. They got their law degree. So I might be going up. It depends how much work I get done. I might try pull a couple of calls back from tomorrow as well. But yeah, if we are free, we'll go ahead there for a couple of hours. And that's the update for now. 175 up for the day. Not too happy with the day. Yesterday was 625, for example. But it is what it is. We're going to keep it pushing. Yo, so just got showered again after the gym. I filled up my water bottle. We're going to sit down, edit this video. I'm actually going to do an Instagram live right after this clip. I'm probably going to do it for 10-15 minutes, answer some questions. There's a few questions built up on my DM, so I'm just going to get anybody that's really needs a question answered to jump on, answer it for them live. Then I'm going to do all of my admin work and eat my last meal, and then get all of my steps in. But also meditate, read. There's a few things on my task list that I'm basically going to do. But we're sat back at the desk now, gonna get some work in, about to get an Instagram live. If you're watching this and you actually don't follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna be a lot more active in 2025, 26, and beyond. And I'm gonna be going live. So follow my Instagram if you have questions, you want them answered about high ticket sales. I'll probably talk about gym as well because I'm in good shape now. And yeah, exact same username as my YouTube, Bolo Scout. I'll see you over there. Finished the Instagram live. Literally just answered some questions, went pretty well, 10 minutes. Samim joined, but then Samim is one of the guys that I work with. He joined to answer some questions as well, but then he had a sales call. But now we're going to get some reading in. I'm reading a Russell Brunson book right now, but I actually forgot the name. I think it's Expert Secrets, but I'm not sure exactly what one. He's a killer from what I'm reading. Obviously, he doesn't need me to say that he's a killer. But yeah, I'm enjoying the book. There's 2 hours left. And yeah, 15 minutes of reading. Gonna meditate for 5 minutes after as well. And we're gonna have some dinner. Just milled my whole dinner. I actually didn't record any of it because I was just sitting enjoying it. I watched some Russell Brunson, the same guy that I was reading the book from. And yeah, again, killer, really cool to be learning from him. We also posted a TikTok, posted a tweet, did an Instagram live, and we read for 15 minutes, meditated for 5. Actually, we need to meditate for 5 now. Then I'm going to go and congratulate my close friend for passing her law degree. It's more of like a family time. Again, didn't really have many calls today. And happy with the work that I got done. Could I sit for the evening and do another 3 hours of editing videos, following up with people? Like, I definitely could. But that's what I always do. Like, I don't mind taking one night off. Honestly, like, now that I'm thinking about it, these small evenings and nights that I sometimes take off could be part of what's holding me back. I don't think it's the biggest needle mover, but yeah, if I really want to get to that next level, I'm just thinking now, like, I probably do need to give this stuff up. Yeah, I think one evening to congratulate my friend is okay in my mind, so I'm all good. Okay, so we're on the way to my girlfriend's house. Again, one of our close friends just graduated from college, so I'm gonna go up and celebrate with them. So I'm okay with this bit of balance. I've got all of my admin work done. I'm not behind on anything. I was actually just on a FaceTime for a while with one of basically my best friends from school, and we've always stayed close, stayed tight after school. That's one thing. I've never really lost my good friends that I had. I have lost a few close friends here and there just because they're going in different directions and they're going down a different path than I am. But I know for a fact I haven't changed. I haven't switched on any old friends. Whenever I see someone I know, like, it's all love. Like, when I see somebody talking about you need to cut off your old friends, you need to never speak to them again when you start getting money online or when you start in business, I kind of get why they say that, but I just don't personally subscribe to that mentality because I like my friends, man. Like, yeah, I'm doing something different with my life, but it's not for everybody. So I definitely respect that some people like college, normal jobs, 9 to 5s. But I was just chatting to one of my close friends from school, and I'm basically putting him on. I am getting him started in high ticket sales. I've used one of my connections to one of my other friends who's a fitness influencer. He's hiring right now, so I've connected them up. Hopefully they start working together. And again, it's just another feeling of I'm really blessed to be able to help my friends like this. Satanta is his name. Hopefully you're watching this, bro. His goal is to hit 2K a month and be able to live in Cape Town for at least a few months. He just spent some time in Cape Town and he decided he wants to move there. He wants to make 2K a month online. And I actually know that I have the capacity to help him do that. I know how to do that. Like, I know how to get him to do that. So even the title of this video is probably going to be something along the lines of I make 10K a month, but now I feel more poor than ever. But in many ways, with the connections, the skills I've built, I do feel rich as well. Money-wise, I feel poor, but the person I've become over these past 2 years, I have to say I am proud, and I'm very glad for the journey and glad for the grind. So I'm going to stay locked in. Again, we're nowhere near where we want to be, but yeah, feeling pretty good. A typical day in my life, that's exactly how most of my days go. Sometimes I make a little bit more money, sometimes I make a little bit less, but overall, comfortable with 8 to 10K to 12K, but definitely feeling more poor than ever just because I see other people my age doing way more. And I know comparison is the thief of joy for sure. And I'm aware that I should not fall victim to that. But I want to compare myself to myself in 2 years' time and say, wow, he was only making 10K a month. So I always want to grow. I always want more income, and that's what there's going to be more of on this YouTube channel. I'm going to document the whole journey of becoming a millionaire. So subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. You're genuinely a real one. Like it. Again, subscribe, and I'll keep producing bangers. Let's work, man.